Hi everyone, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with a little happy mail that I just got in the mail today. I did uh open the top, but I haven't peeked in it yet. So I'm gonna reveal it with you guys. I have it upside down so the addresses don't um be revealed, and this is from Miss Kimberly. And I'm gonna open up, but first I wanna see, I feel some fluffy, so I'm gonna just do this. Open it. I'm gonna read it off camera. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the inside of the card because it's a little personal for me. But here's the front of the card with a picture of some little cups with flowers in it, and she's got a banner that says thinking of you, and I like the way she did all the banner here with all the different colors, and it's layered with two different color cardstock, and the bottom, as you can see, has stripes. So there's nothing on the back, and it came with a whole bunch of sequins in it. Thank you so much, Miss Kimberly. I will add that in my card book that I'm working on. And thank you so much for everything, for thinking of me. And I'm thinking of all my friends. And thank you for the card. I'm going to put the card back in so I can put it in my little book I'm making. So thank you again, Miss Kimberly, for the nice card, the beautiful card. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, please be kind, be safe, and stay crafty. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.